So guys, to make any program run as admin, for the first step you want to find the program. So it might be a shortcut on your desktop. If you do not see the shortcut on your desktop, you want to head over to search and then type in your program name. And now you want to right click on it and then click on open file location. And now you want to find a shortcut for it. So you can either find it that way or it might be on your desktop. And now once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on the compatibility tab. And then you want to tick run this program as administrator. Take this one right here and then click on OK. And then you should be good to go. But just so you know, so I just made Brave run as administrator, right? But I have it pinned to my taskbar. So if you have it pinned to your taskbar, you just want to remove it and then add it back on again so that it can be registered. It might already be registered right now, but just in case if it's not registered, you want to unpin it from your taskbar. So you want to right click on it and then click on unpin. And now you want to right click on your application that will now run as administrator and then click on show more options and then click on pin to taskbar. And then you should be good to go.